I'm finally back here in Marietta at this home renovation. It took so long because they had several things that they had to complete before we could get in and finish our work here. So I'm gonna take you inside and I'm so excited to see what it looks like in here. So please come along. Okay, so here we are. Last time we were here, there was no stain on the floors. So we've added floors, we've stained floors, and it's a little dirty right now, but they're working on doing some painting and drywall. That's what's causing a little bit of dust, but this kitchen was not here before. Look at this. It looks so nice. What a transformation. I mean, they completely transformed the space. I love home renovations for these reasons. It is so cool to come in and see what they have done. You have a vision and you create it, and by golly, they blew it out of the park. It is absolutely stunning and gorgeous. They added this window here to open or to add a lot of sunlight in. But look how pretty these floors are. We added all these hardwoods, stained them. They added this kitchen. We did the backsplash. I'll give you a close up. It's just a herringbone pattern, but it's a matte finish. It looks so nice with the counters. They did such a nice job of putting all this together. Let's see if we can get into this first bathroom. This was here before, but now we have some lighting and how it transitions. Really nice. They added gold accent pieces. The shower and the bath turned out gorgeous. They added just this little glass shower frame. I love that. You don't have to add a shower curtain. It takes away that bulky curtain and it makes it clean and sleek. So gorgeous. I absolutely love it. A small bedroom here. Refocus. There we go. No carpet, which is another thing that I love. To me, just the carpet attracts dust and it holds just pet dander and different dirt particles. And to me, the hardwoods create a cleaner environment for your breathing and the space that you live in. So let me take you on downstairs and see what it looks like down there. Okay, so here we are in the downstairs bath. Look how stunning this turned out. Cabinet, mirror, tile. They added a double glass shower door. So again, it gets rid of the shower curtain, which is fabulous. I love the clean, sleek look. Very classic. Very pleasing to the eye. Down here is a herringbone with different specks of like brown and blues and creams. And then we have the brick pattern tile on the back wall. So that's a wrap. The floors down here are covered, so I can't get them, but that is an LVP underneath the paper. But refocus here. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a fabulous weekend.